Hello my beautiful Glam squad, this is your girl Dalou. Today I am in my great room, aka my family room. We're gonna refresh it for spring. I'm starting this refresh with a little bit of cleaning. I'm just getting my new vacuum out. This vacuum is from Amazon. It is a wet and dry vacuum. It was pretty affordable. I paid $150 for it. I'm going to spread a little bit of baking soda on the rug to kill bacteria and to make the room smells good. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start cleaning the sectional.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. I like your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. La la la. Let's stop, won't stop. I like your shop.
To renew the fabric a bit, I am using a wet cloth and then I have a little bit of fabric softener on the cloth. Are you new to my channel? Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor, a little bit of cleaning, sometimes some DIYs. If you are interested in any of these things, I am asking you to please subscribe, turning your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. To all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you are enjoying your spring. As you can see, I move things around. During spring and summer season, I prefer to have the sectional on this side. At least I can look at outside. As for the table, I put it behind the sofa. For my new friends, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the room. If you are familiar with the room, feel free to skip this part. The table is from Wayfair, however, it is discontinued. The rug is from Amazon. It is still available. If you are interested, a link for it will be in the description box. My beautiful sectional, although it is pretty beat up, is from Wayfair. Sometimes you guys see me split it in two for two sofas. The sectional came with silver legs. I added these legs. They are from Amazon. My beautiful, super gorgeous, inexpensive coffee tables are from Amazon. They are not available, they are sold out. However, I found a coffee table that is somewhat similar. I will leave the link in the description box. My super duper glam accent chairs are from Overstock. However, I am not sure of what's going on with Overstock. You can find them at Home Depot as well. The credenzas by the TV are also from Amazon. The fireplace gate is also from Amazon. Wall arts on each side of the wall are from Home Goods. And the chandelier is from Amazon. Now we're gonna start decorating. Guys, whenever I'm decorating, I like to start with the first thing I know for sure is going to be in the decoration. A lot of time it's a vase or pillowcases. So this time I'm gonna start with these pillowcases. These are available on my website. If you are interested, you can check them out. Let me do the close-up so you guys can see them. They are very cute. And these are my pillow inserts. These pillowcases are 20 by 20 and the inserts are 20 by 22. Normally the inserts have to be a little bit bigger than the cases. This is the up close. So it looks like it's very silky, it's very nice, but not too thick for spring or summer. This is what I have so far. And then the one in the middle is a pillow that I have very long time ago. Let me do the close up so you guys can see it. See all the pretty and all the fluffiness of it. On the corner, this pillow is from my store. If this one, as I show you, it's a pillow cover that is also available from my store. This is a pillow that I got a little while ago. It's from a local store. And this one, it's a pillow that I got from Dalou. Although I really like the round mirror that was up there, I changed it and put this one instead because on the other wall I have two of the same mirror, and then in the former living room there's also the round mirror that was showing. I think this one kind of balanced things out a little bit. I will bring the round mirror back, but for now I'm gonna keep this wall art just for balance. I got it from HomeSense. The sconces on the wall are from Amazon. Trims are also from Amazon. So on the table, the first thing that I'm going to have is this tray. This tray is from my website. It's very cute. It is affordable. I really like it. It came in 2 sizes. The next item I'm going to use is this wash cup. It's a really nice product, but it's a little bit more expensive. It is unique, it is handcrafted. As you can see, it's in 2 colors, silver and gold. On my wash cup, I am going to have these beautiful roses. They look and feel so real, you guys. You can literally give them to someone, they would think that they are real. I also have them available in the hot pink. It's a very pretty pink. And as I mentioned, they look and feel real. So if you don't know, I have a home decor store, www.glamstylehomedecor.com. Many of the beautiful, gorgeous, and glamorous items that I'm going to be using in today's decor are from the store. Link for my store will be in the description box. On the tray, I'm also going to have a photo frame. I do not have a photo to put on it yet. I will put one later on. On the other table, I'm starting with 2 candle holders. The candle holders are from my store, and I'm using these gold candles to dial down the pink a little bit. White ones would have been fine, but I think the gold candles helped out a little bit more. On this side of the table, I am going to have a tray. This tray is not from my website. You can find it in many of your local stores if you would like to have one. And then I'm going to have a couple of books because I am going to have a bouquet. I need the bouquet to be elevated. As of right now, I have 2 books. Later on, I'm going to go back and add another book to make it 3 books. This is the vase that I am going to use. I really like it. It is super cute. I'm keeping the floral arrangement minimal. These branches are from my store, but they are sold out. The jasmine branches are from Amazon. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. To finish decorating the tables, I'm gonna have my crystal candle pillars. They are my staple decor items. As you can see, I show you items from my store, local store, and Amazon. On the listing table, I'm starting with the box. This is from my website. And as I always said, on the boxes, I keep games and things like that for the kids. This is a way that I keep my living room organized while the kids still have access to the games that they want to play, or should I say the family. And then I'm going to have some books on top of the bags and then a ball. On the smaller table, I am going to have the super cute set of marble coasters and a silver tray. The set comes with 4 coasters and the tray. It is from my website. I kept the credentials simple, just a lamp and I guess a photo or something. I don't even know how you call it. The lamp is from HomeSense. I kept the other one very similar, the exact same length, and a photo frame. The photo frame is exactly like the one on the coffee table. On the other side, I have my beautiful olive tree. This is from Amazon. The container that I am using for the plant is from Home Goods. Instead of using musk, I'm using my Christmas garland to cover the trunk. This way, I'm using the container as storage, and the Christmas garland became useful. As for the light, it is from Amazon. I really like it because it is censored and it keeps my tree on trend. This mirror is available on my website. I only have a few left. If you are interested, you have to check it out as soon as possible. I have my throw here for now, but later on I'm going to change it and put it in the middle. The throw is from Amazon. On the console table behind the sofa, I have my Louboutin book from Amazon. And then I am going to have another book from Amazon. I am filming in the middle of the day, so the sun is really bright, and it's the reason, depending on where I'm at, you see it's like dark or have that film. On the console table, I am going to be using my gold ginger jar. Followed by these beautiful leaves. They are just so pretty. They feel so natural and so unique. I have them in 3 colors. I have the pink and the green. This is the close-up. You can see how beautiful and unique they are. And this is the close-up on the right. They are from my website. To take the bouquet to the next level, we are going to have some orchids. Talking about the orchids, I also have them in this beautiful fuchsia color. To make the bouquet fuller, I'm going to be adding these baby breath branches on the bouquet. I don't need to tell you guys, they are from my website. I'm going to show you what one branch looks like. As you can see, it is a pretty good size and it does look natural. And we are done. Now let's look at the finished project. My beautiful Glam squad, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. If you like my living room refresh, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box, including the link for my beautiful pink dress that matches my beautiful pink decor. Link for my store will also be in the description box. The links for the items from my store will be in the description box as well. A big thank you to all of you for stopping by. It was so good to be here with you today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Remember before you leave to subscribe, turning your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye-bye.